Hello! Right, well this isn't a tutorial channel, but I do like to share things with you that I find interesting that I think you'll find interesting as well. Now everybody's heard of Photoshop, it's like the go-to program for digital image editing professionals, and it's the first thing that comes to mind if somebody says that an image has been altered or doctored. Oh, it's been photoshopped. Now Photoshop came out over 33 years ago, and during that time they developed the program to do some pretty amazing things. So today I'm going to show you the top 4 things I've recently found it can do that blew me away. Let's get right into it. Right, so the first thing that I want to show you is how you can extend the background easily on a picture. Now I needed to do this the other day. I was making this thumbnail for my sister, one of her videos. She does travel transformation, and on here you can see I had the text on the left, but I wanted a bit more space around the text. So that would mean moving my sister to the right. But if I do that, you can see we've run out of picture. But what Photoshop lets you do is select the bit that's missing, and you can say I want to do a content aware fill, and you just highlight some of the picture and say, okay, I want you to fill in that gap based on what I've highlighted here. I'll apply that, and look at that, it's just extended the background. So I can move that a bit more centered. Okay, the second thing I want to show you is, I don't know if you've ever had to cut something out in Photoshop, like go around it and trace the outline and it takes ages. Well, there's a new thing called Object Selection Tool. And if I wanted to cut Jess out here and put her on a new background, I would literally normally have to zoom right in and then draw around her outline like this, which, as you can imagine, takes a long time. So what you can do instead now is just select a tool called Object Selection, and I'll literally just draw a box around her. It uses artificial intelligence to say, okay, this is the bit I think that they want cutting out. It selects her. If I copy that and paste it into a new document, there you go, it's cut her out, just like that. It saves so much time. Right, the next thing that I want to show you is quite interesting, and now we've got my sister cut out here. Say you want to put a background in, but you don't have a picture, but you've got an idea of what you want. Photoshop can now use artificial intelligence to fill in a background for you. So this is currently only available on the beta, or beta, don't know how you say it, version, but it will be in full Photoshop very soon, probably on the next version. So all you do is type what you want to have in the background and it will generate an image for you. So let's put an alien planet and press create. And then it gives you 3 different examples, and you can just click and it'll put it behind behind the picture. So there's my sister with a nice alien mountain range behind her, and there she is. Don't know what she's doing in space, and another spacey one. And then if there's one that you like, you can just click this button here and it'll generate 3 more based on that image. So there you go. Automatic background image generation. So the last thing that I want to show you is some more artificial intelligence based stuff, and this is for doing photo restoration. So here is a picture of my granddad when he was younger, in the Navy. And as you can see, it's not a very high resolution photo, it's pretty grainy. See, if we zoom in, there's not that much detail there. But with a few clicks of the mouse, we can turn on photo restoration. Look at that difference. It's like pulled detail out of the picture that's not there. So I think basically what this does is it's been trained on a load of different faces and pictures, and based on what it sees here at the lower resolution, it kind of guesses at what it needs to fill in to make extra detail. And I'd say that's pretty darn good. So while we're here, one of the other things it can do is colour in old photos. So again, just with the click of a button, look at that. It's got the blue of his navy top. It's got skin colours, he's got brown hair. His lips might be a little bit too pink, but we can turn the saturation down on the whole image. How cool is that? So basically, we've gone from that to that. Let's zoom in a bit so you can just see. We've gone from that to that. in 2 clicks. Isn't that amazing? So there you have it, some pretty mad stuff that Photoshop can do. It's had 33 years to mature to do it, but where's it going to go in the future? It's crazy. Well, thanks for watching this short video. I hope you learned something. I hope you found it interesting. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will try my best to respond to all of them. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll keep showing you interesting things that I find. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.